Hi everyone, and welcome to Tradewisenet. Okay, so let's start with what is Tradewisenet. Here, I will be discussing trades that I'm taking based on the methods explained in my book, which you can see on the screen here, Profitable Hedging and Trade Management Techniques in Forex Trading. The book is easily available on Amazon. I'll post the link to that in the description below. Um, In terms of the trading platforms that I use, so TradingView, MT4, MT5, you can use any. I prefer using TradingView for the reason that it has a clean interface, it connects to my broker, also gives me space to make notes, which is really important, as I like to keep a record of the trades that I've taken. In terms of the leverage, I use 1:100 or 1:500 when trading Forex. I don't trade stocks as such, but the methods that I would explain in my videos, you can actually use any asset that you wish. But what I would say is it would be important to make sure that you're confident in the uh, trades and you become comfortable. So till that point, use a lower leverage. Practice maybe in the demo account before moving to a higher leverage. The indicators that I will be using, they are really freely available indicators. Uh, Indicators like the RSI. I'll be using the Super Trend Oscillator, really, which are freely available. What's important is to have clarity on which pairs to trade, when to enter a trade, when to exit a trade, and then the hedging and trade management techniques that I will be talking about. Right. Okay. So moving on to the time frame. So I have a day job, right? So it's difficult for me to spend too much time on the charts. I use the daily time frame, so I'd be looking at the charts for maybe 20 minutes in a day. But the methods that I would talk about, you can really use any time frame um, which suits you. Pairs to trade. Um, I've made a list of a few. And if I can just move on to my trading view, yeah, so you can see the trading pairs listed on the right. I really trade the major pairs, including the Australian dollar, Canadian dollar, US dollar, the pound, the Swiss franc, the yen. I have two commodities there, silver and oil, of course. And these are the ones that I will be trading. And as explained in my book, I keep a journal of the trades that I've undertaken. I'll upload a link to the simple spreadsheet in the description, which would be readily available. So yeah, watch out for my weekend videos where I will go through the trades that I've taken on the selected pairs. So cheers and see you then.